Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Katrina. In this video, I am going to be showing you guys how to get a salon quality blowout, but in the comfort of your own home and without spending so much money. Before we get into this video, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. So if you want to see how I got this bouncy blowout, keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with my natural hair. So I washed my hair this morning. All I did was I towel dried it just to get the excess water out, and then I put some of this Ion Smooth Keratin Heat Styling Cream. I don't know if you guys could see. I just applied like a quarter size amount, ran it through my hair, and then I put in a bun, and I didn't take, so that was this morning. I took my hair out of the bun maybe like 3 o'clock just to kind of let it, because it was still a little wet, so I just wanted it to dry more. I would say it's about, I don't know, 85% dry. It's definitely wet back here. What I'm going to be using to blow dry my hair is this Revlon drying brush. I think that's what it's called. I've had this for maybe a year or so now, or 2 years. I really like it. I like that it's big and I can dry my hair fast. This is actually going to be my first time using it with my hair this short. Yeah, I think it's my first time using it with my hair this short. So I feel like hair prep is really important more than anything. I mean, I feel like anybody could blow dry your hair, but hair prep I think is way more important. It's really going to determine how your blowout is going to come out. So I'm going to share with you guys what I'm going to be using today. Like I said, I started off after I washed my hair, I put in this Ion Keratin Heat Styling Cream, which is from Sally's and very affordable. When I blow dry my hair, I'm probably gonna have it sped up just because I feel like you guys know how to blow dry your hair, so there's nothing really I can say. Maybe I'll pop in with a voiceover in here and there, but yeah, for the most part it's gonna be sped up. As far as heat protectant, I already sprayed some of this. Again, Ion Styling Solutions. This is a heat protectant smoothing spray. I've been using this for maybe like 2 or 3 months now, and I really like it. And then I'm also going to be using this Color Wow Dream Coat. You guys can't really see. Okay, you can see it. I'll put everything in the description below. I'm just going to section my hair in half. I'm going to work on this section first and then move on to this one, and then I'll catch you guys when I finish. One thing I forgot to mention is definitely brush your hair thoroughly. Make sure there's no tangles or knots or anything when you're blow drying your hair. And if you want your style to last a little bit longer, you can roll it up like I'm doing, clip it, and kind of let it set and let your hair rest and rest into that style. What was that? We could hide away by the cactus desert blue. I can see it just a mile away from this crowded place. I could lay there next to you.
see it just a mile away from this crowded place. I could lay there next to you. Come on, darling, let's just run away. We could hide away and forget this deja vu.
All right, so I'm kind of cheating. I only sat with these for maybe almost 10 minutes. Normally, like if I'm going out, I'll do this to my hair and I'll leave it in for maybe, I mean, as long as I can, really. The longer the better, especially if your hair doesn't hold any kind of curl or texture, the longer the better. When I blow dry my hair, you could see how it has that flip, but that flip goes away fast. Like if I want to keep kind of that flip and that bounce, I definitely need to do this in order to keep that style or just have it last a little bit longer. Now we're going to take the clips out. I'm going to start from the bottom gently. You don't want to rip your hair out. There's definitely times where I'll be doing this in a rush and I'm like ripping my hair out, which is not good. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that bounce. Ooh. Okay. So yeah, the longer you sit with this, the better. The longer your style is gonna last. But look at this. For just sitting for maybe like, I would say maybe like 7 minutes, I had them in. Well, technically, the ones underneath were maybe like 15 minutes. So to finish it off, I'm gonna put a little bit of this, I don't even know how to say this, bright. I bought this from Ulta a couple months ago and I've really been loving it to finish off a blow dry. So it's like a finishing cream. It says mango. It smells really good. It's a light hairstyling cream. So I'm gonna take a little bit like this, work it through, and then I'm just gonna, ooh, I still have some clip in the back. Definitely make sure all your clips are out before you do that. So I'm just gonna just kind of feed it into my hair. I don't want to mess with it too much because I don't want to take out the style, but so I usually spend like a minute or two just kind of zhuzhing it. I don't even know what other word to say, but zhuzhing it. Just kind of having everything fall into place because your hair is going to go where it wants to go. So it's kind of just playing around with it and seeing where it's going to fall. I don't want to mess with it too much because, again, like I said, I didn't have it clipped in for too long. So it would definitely lose this bounciness faster. Normally, my hair does not last with a blow. Like I need to add some type of heat just to kind of have it last. But honestly, with this Revlon brush, my hair does last longer than normally. So that's definitely another plus. You can see I have some volume, but I didn't blow dry it to where would have so much volume. I kind of like more sleek look just because I feel like my hair is curly and big already. When I blow dry, I kind of want it to be just a little tamed and smoothed down. But definitely, there's ways you can get your hair bigger. Like if you take this piece and kind of brush it all up like that, you will definitely get, you could see I already have it already. You will definitely get more volume. This is the finished look. I had this Revlon brush for like maybe almost, I think like a year and a half, and I love it. Whenever I just want to do a quick blow dry, I rarely blow dry my hair, but the little times that I do, I always use this just because it's so much easier. Actually, I bought the Dyson air dryer recently. I love it for my clients, but I haven't used it on myself. So I don't know if you guys want to see a video on that. Comment down below and let me know. The Dyson is very pricey. It's not affordable at all. I think it's really expensive. I love it, but it's expensive. So this is definitely a great alternative, and it's easier because you don't have to worry about using a brush or doing all that. The brush is right here. You just dry it, and it's easy. And again, as I mentioned earlier in the video, blow drying is one thing, but I feel like hair prep is more important than anything. So mainly I wanted to share with you guys what I use to prep my hair for a blow dry. I definitely use a mix between, I guess, high end and low end products. So if you guys want another video on that, of me just kind of giving you guys kind of my favorite high end and low end products, even though I don't like to say that, like low end, I feel like it's not low. I don't know. I guess technically it is, but I don't know. Expensive and inexpensive, whatever you want to call it. If you guys want a video of that, I can share with you guys some of my favorite products that I like to use. Some affordable and some a little on the pricier side, but just in all great products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have this Revlon hairbrush and let me know your thoughts about it, if you like it, if you don't. Not everybody is going to like the same thing, so I definitely would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Again, if you want to see a video of me discussing high-end, low-end products, definitely let me know. And if you want to see a video of me blow drying my hair with my Dyson blow dryer, comment down below and let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.